Vrinda Smanvitam, Sri Chaitanya Prabhu Vande Nityananda Sauritam, Sri Nandanandaram Vande Sri Radhika Charanatoyam, Avijana Samyuktam, Vrindavana Manoharam, Omaganatarandasya, Ginajana Sakaya Chaksurame Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. This is Sri Radharani's Kartik 2021 in Radhakundam. We're studying Vilakusmanjari and the commentaries of Anantadas Babaji and Ananda Gopal Goswami. We're on a new verse, verse 21, describing Radharani's bathing and dressing services from 6 a.m. till 8:24 a.m. Verse 21. Ai Vimala Jalanam Ganda Karpura Pushper Jita Vidu Mukha Padme Vasitanam Gotoga Pranaya Lalita Sakya Diyamane Prastat Tavaram Avishekam Ha Kadaham Krishe. O Radharani, your lotus-like face defeats the beauty of the moon and defeats the moon and beauty. When will I give you an excellent bath with many jugs of pure water scented with camphor and flowers, brought beforehand by a Sakhi who is beautified by her love for you? So this now we come to the washing of feet and all these things. Now the bath. So there's some more of the lilas described here. The Sakhis bring water in blue sapphire jugs, so the color reminds Swami of Sham. Because Radharani likes everything Sham color, naturally. It reminds. That's why she wears a blue dhoti blue sari. Krishna wears yellow because it reminds him of Radharani. So like when devotees, they go to buy toothbrush, they make sure they buy a blue one or a yellow one. one month a blue one, next month a yellow one. Or maybe every time blue and yellow. Or you buy a red one, then that's Radharani's anurag. Because the color of anurag is intense reddish color. Swami is enchanted to see the blue sapphire water jug. The bath water was drawn from the Yamuna, which is also dark blue in color, like Sham. Lita says to Tulsi Manjari, I will bathe Radharani through you. You do it on my behalf. Lalita told Tulsi. Tulsi sits Radharani on a Ratnavedi, a jeweled platform, and slowly pours fragrant water over Radharani. Shri Rupa Manjari hands the small jugs of water from there's a big pot of water. Rupa Manjari dips the small pitchers in jug or pitcher in that sapphire pot and then hands it to Tulsi Manjari. So they're working together, Rupa and Rati. Rati Manjari means Tulsi Manjari. Another kinkari, there's three dasi maidservants here, Shruva, Tulsi, and you or whoever. Most blissfully rub Swami's body with her open hair braid. It says hair braid is used for a lot of things. Clean the drain of the bathroom, drying Radharani's feet after washing her feet, rubbing on her body. It's all-purpose hair braid. Another kinkari, now there's 4 kinkaris, 4 dasis, 4 manjaris serving Radharani's bath. So usually one person bathes himself. But if you're a queen, you have 10, 20 people bathing and dressing you. Just sit there. Okay. Because everyone wants to get a chance to serve Radharani. It's like in a temple. It's like Radha Shyam Sundar. Some devotees, there's like in the morning when they do after they close the doors of Mangal Arati, a whole fleet of little elves, or little dasi, brahmacharis or grihastas, whatever, men, run on the altar, and everyone's doing something there. One devotee is undressing Lalita, another one is undressing Vishaka, another one's undressing Sham, another one's undressing Radha. 4 are undressing the big deities. And then another one's just taking a picture frame, watching a picture frame. Another one's doing the Shalagram Puja. Another one's doing the Utsav Deity, Radha Shyam Lalita Vishaka, the small Asadhatu deities. So there's like 8 or 10 majaris just taking care of Radha Shyam's altar. Just one Radha, one Shyam, but there's 10 Sevites doing the Seva. You don't see that, the doors are closed. But I've been inside, I've seen it. It's really like a madhouse, actually. So many people running. It's a very small area. Everyone's bumping into each other, running back and forth. Because everyone's thought, well, there's a big clock inside the deity room, Thakurji's gar. Everyone's looking at, we've got to hurry up. And it's intense preparing for the Shringar Arti, because from 5:15 in the morning till 7:15, 2 hours, they had to do so much. It's really nice. It's intense seva. Every devotee who's done that knows what that intense, beautiful feeling is like. So